This young dirty bastard. Shout out to GetMoneyMusicGroup.com. Shout out to Shadow Spare, you know what I'm saying? They in the fucking building, you know what I'm saying? And shout out to motherfucking Young Rebel, you know what I'm saying? This young dirty bastard and this Sun Legends tour. Fuck y'all niggas, about to take over the globe.
Mama on welfare, daddy died cause of drugs, not fair. But I'm still here, got some girl pregnant too, baby's not fair. Fuck, I'ma get it poppin' this year. Fuck, I'ma get it poppin' this year. I said fuck it, I'ma get it poppin' this year. Mama on welfare, daddy died cause of drugs, not fair. But I'm still here, got some girl pregnant too, baby's not fair. Fuck it, I'ma get it poppin' this year. I'm a food stand baby and I don't fucking care. I got a mouth full of cigarette breath, so much stress on my brain, my cerebellum can't balance my step. I lean off the vibe, hit my right then my left, both hands on her thighs, you know what happened next. She took a pregnant test, I'm into deep. Suicide, a selfish drunk bastard traumatized by killing herself. It's a lonely step to homicide. I'm feeling sick and nauseous. What a boat ride. She throwing up and her stomach is blowing up. Time is ticking fast, so quickly I grow up. Only 2 options, cause I got kicked out of my last 3 schools. Writing rhymes on the corner, my thoughts is out of tune. Custy's always profiling, your dad was a rap star. Why you on the corner nickel and diamond and freestyling? See what you don't know, I had to stack my own dough. Mentally I never be crippled cause I'ma create my own flow. Mama on welfare, daddy died cause